everybody, it's Mrs. Davies again. I'm here to do some phonics with you, and today we're going to learn a new sound. But before we learn our new sound, I wanted to see if you could remember the sounds that we did last week, and they're on the board for you to look at. So remember, we did that x for ox, fox. We did a z, z, ip, zip, and we looked at the y for yo-yo. I wonder if you remembered those from last week. So let's have a look at the sounds that we're going to learn today. Oh, this sound, have you noticed, has got two letters, a C and an H, and it's called a digraph. It's two letters that makes one sound. So those two letters, a C and an H, make the ch, ch, ch sound. Can you try and say that? Well done, the ch, ch, ch sound. So let's have a look and see what we found that has the ch sound in it today. This is what you do when you're cutting your food, when you're preparing your dinner or your lunch with your tomatoes or your cucumbers. You have to chop them, chop them. Let's have a go at splitting that word up and seeing if we can sound it out. Ch, op, chop. Can you have a go? Well done. Let's see if we can do that together. Ch, op, chop. Well done. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, they look very cute, don't they? It's something you might see at the farm when they're open again. This is a chick, a chick. Let's split that word up and see if we can read it together. Ch, ick, chick. Can you have a go? Well done. Let's do it together one more time. Ch, ick, chick. Fantastic. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, my favourite. We've got some chips. Wonder how many chips you've eaten during lockdown. Let's see if we can sound this word out. We've got ch, ip, s, chips. Your turn. Well done. Let's try again one more time all together. Ch, ip, s, chips. Well done. Oh, I'm sure this is something that you all love to do with your friends and your mummies and your daddies or your brothers and sisters. You like to chat. Let's see if we can split this word up. Ready? Ch, at, chat. Let's see if you can have a go. And one more time. Ch, at, chat. Wonder how many of you have chatted to your friends on the phone or over Zoom recently. So today, remember, we're thinking about the ch, ch, ch sound, but we need to know how to write it. So here we have, remember, it's our two letters that make one sound, and we already know how to write these letters. We've got our k and our h. Let's have a go. Ready? See if I can remember. Oh. Curly caterpillar and a hungry horse. We start at the horse's head, all the way down to his feet, up over his back and down his tail. And look, all my letters are touching the line. They're not floating in the air. Shall I see if I can do it again? Around the caterpillar, starting at the horse's head, all the way down, back up over his head and down his tail. The ch, ch, ch sound. I wonder whether you can have a go at writing that sound or writing some of those words. And I've got my challenge again for you today. Can you use any of those words to make your very own sentence? I thought of a sentence. I wonder whether you can help me read it. This is a bit of a funny sentence. Let's see if we can read it together. The chicks can chat. I've got two words in there. The chicks can chat. And this little fluffy chick saying hello. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's phonics, and can you go off and practice that sound? And I will see you again tomorrow for a new sound. Bye!